You have a ton of equipment in your organization and you need a way to manage them effectively. You have ideas, but you are unsure where to start from. So you think you'll track everything down with the paper just until you realize that it's really hard to do it. So you switch to a CRM software. But the problem is that it's designed for sales management and not for equipment management. What you need is a software you can access from any device, be it a mobile phone, a tablet, or a computer. That's what you need. Introducing BME Assistor. It's a cloud application that runs on top of high-performance SSD servers. And the best part is that you can access it from any device that supports a browser. Yeah, that's right. BME Assistor comes jam-packed with features with which you can easily manage your equipment, track the maintenance, and even assign tasks to your biomedical or clinical engineers. It just doesn't stop there. Deep analytics, yeah, that's the future. And BME Assistor is slowly moving towards it in future. Once that happens, you'll be able to predict which equipments are likely to go down in future well before that happens. That's pretty cool, right? Think about it. You are an organization that embraces smart technology. Then visit us at www.bmeassistor.in. Get a demo today itself.